Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best repair tape is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone who relies on a backpack. Whether you're a student, a hiker, or a traveler, a damaged backpack can be a major inconvenience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of backpack repair tape, exploring its uses, and showing you how to choose the right one to keep your gear in top shape. Number 5. by.RHO 4 inches Screen Repair Tape. Is your screen door or window screen torn? Don't replace the whole thing. This tape offers a quick and easy fix to save you time and money. This tape features a powerful adhesive that sticks to any screen surface. It's designed to stay in place, providing a long-lasting repair. Repairing your screen is incredibly simple. Just cut a piece and apply it to the tear or hole. No tools are needed, and it takes only seconds. Stop wasting money on expensive screen replacements. This tape provides a cost-effective solution to fix your screens quickly and easily. The extra-wide tape is perfect for various applications. Use it on window screens, screen doors, tent mesh, and more. It's resistant to both high and low temperatures. What we like. This tape is extra-wide, making it perfect for larger tiers. It's also incredibly easy to use, just cut and apply. If you have a screen door or window with a significant hole, this is the ideal solution. It's a quick and effective way to save money and keep your screens in top shape. What people say. It holds up well against extreme heat and heavy rain and is a super easy solution to fixing damaged areas of screen. It covers holes and even covered gaps at the bottom where the screen had ripped away from the spline. The tape was very easy to use, the sticky side is strong and adheres well to the screen material. Number 4. by.RHO Tenacious Tape 3x20 Gear Repair Tape. Are you tired of rips and holes in your favorite gear? This ultra-strong repair tape is the perfect solution. It's a peel-and-stick tape that requires no heat or sewing. This tape is ideal for tents, jackets, and vinyl furniture. Simply apply it to the damaged area, and it will bond permanently to various synthetic materials. The tape features an aggressive adhesive that bonds permanently. It's designed for nylon, mesh, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. This repair tape has a waterproof coating that won't peel off. It's available in a 3x20 strip, making it easy to apply. Choose from nylon fabric in black, red, yellow, OD green, and coyote. You can also select ripstop fabric in sage green and off-white, or clear vinyl for a nearly invisible repair. What we like. This tape boasts an ultra-strong adhesive that bonds to various materials. It's also washable and waterproof, ensuring a long-lasting repair. If you are looking for a reliable fix for your outdoor gear, like tents or jackets, this tape is a great choice. It's designed to withstand the elements. What people say. The tape fixed it very easily and appears to be working perfectly. Sealed nicely and easy to work with, not a perfect, but good enough color match. Easy to use and effective, wish I knew this product existed years ago. Number 3. by.RHO Tenacious Tape 3x20 Repair Tape, 2-pack. Tired of rips and tears ruining your gear? This ultra-strong tape offers a quick fix. It's a peel-and-stick solution, no heat or sewing required. This tape is ideal for tents, jackets, and vinyl furniture. The aggressive adhesive bonds permanently to various synthetic materials. It's perfect for almost anything. Make a washable repair that lasts. This tape features a waterproof coating that won't peel off. It's designed to withstand the elements. Choose from a variety of colors and materials for a seamless repair. The tape comes in nylon and ripstop fabric options, as well as clear vinyl. You can find the perfect match. Simply apply the tape to the damaged area. It's that easy to fix holes and rips. Get back to enjoying your gear with this convenient solution. What we like. This tape boasts an ultra-strong adhesive that bonds to various materials. It's also washable and waterproof, ensuring a long-lasting repair. If you are looking for a reliable fix for your outdoor gear, like tents or jackets, this tape is a great choice. It's designed to withstand the elements. What people say. The tape fixed it very easily and appears to be working perfectly. Sealed nicely and easy to work with, not a perfect, but good enough color match. This roll is the most economical and versatile version of the product as you get more tape for the dollar and you can cut to size. Number 2. by.RHO Black Repair Tape. This heavy-duty black repair tape is designed to fix tears and rips in various materials. It's a highly effective solution for your awnings, canvas, tents, and more. This tape is a must-have for quick and easy repairs. The fabric repair tape acts as a waterproof patch, providing excellent resistance against heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal, making it ideal for outdoor applications. This ensures that the elements won't damage the repaired item. This black fabric tape is both durable and flexible, allowing for quick repairs of rips. It's a great addition to any emergency kit. The tape is designed to flex and move with the material. This versatile tape adheres well to various materials, including tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, and leather. Its black color helps it blend seamlessly with the material. It's perfect for a wide range of repair needs. by.RHO is a family-owned American business committed to providing premium quality accessories. They stand behind their products and your satisfaction. This repair tape is a testament to their commitment to quality. What we like. This tape is heavy-duty and built to withstand harsh conditions. It's also waterproof and tear-resistant, ensuring a durable repair. If you like to repair awnings, tents, or boat covers, this tape is perfect for you. It's designed to handle the toughest jobs. What people say. Thick, rugged, and quite sticky. It sealed the rips in my canvas lawn chair with ease and tenacity. Just what I hoped for. Very high quality. Adheres well to outdoor furniture covers. It covered what we needed it for, it worked. Number 1. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Mini Patches. Are you tired of holes in your favorite gear? This patch kit is designed to fix those issues. It's perfect for repairing your down jackets, tents, and rain gear. This tape uses an ultra-strong adhesive that bonds permanently. It works great on nylon, polyester, Gore-Tex, and vinyl materials. However, it's not suitable for cotton or denim. Simply cut the patches to the size you need. Then apply them to clean coats, backpacks, or gloves. The kit includes 6 patches sealed with a waterproof coating. You can choose from all black nylon, all clear, or a combination of both. These patches offer nearly invisible repairs that won't peel off, even after washing. Gear Aid helps you preserve and reuse your outdoor gear. This product allows you to extend the life of your equipment. It's all about renewal and keeping your gear in top shape. What we like. This tape comes with peel and stick patches, making application a breeze. It's designed for various materials and offers nearly invisible repairs. If you are looking for a discreet way to fix your winter gear or sleeping bag, this is the perfect solution. It's all about preserving and renewing your gear. What people say. They come in a small, sturdy plastic case which make them easy to throw in any gear bag. The clear patches sandwiched perfectly over the hole and held fast for the rest of the trip. I really like the way the whole patch sticks to the fabric without the edges curling up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.